Hello dear students. You know that our English subject is of 100 marks. Now try to understand how these 100 marks are divided. You are going to attempt written exam of 80 marks. Oral test will be of 10 marks and you are going to complete two assignments for 10 marks. Each assignment will carry 5 marks. So, this is the evaluation of our English subject. Now, let us see the format of question paper or format of our activity sheet. Our activity sheet is divided in 6 sections. Now we will go in detail. We will discuss about each section. Section 1 is about language study. It is for 10 marks. Question number 1A, do as directed. You have to attempt any 4 sub questions. You will be given 6 questions in that. First sub question is about complete the words. You have to complete 4 words out of 6. It is for 2 marks. Then sub question number 2, put the words in alphabetical order. You will get 2 sets of having 4 words. One set will start with different letters and another set will start with same letters. This is for 2 mark. Sub question number 3, punctuate the following sentence. 2 sentences will be given to you. You have to punctuate these 2 sentences. This is for 2 mark. Sub question number 4, make 4 words each, minimum of 3 letters, using the letters in the words. It is for 2 marks. Sub question number 5, write the related words. 4 words expected. It is for 2 marks. And sub question number 6, complete the word chain of noun or verb or adjective. 4 words are expected here. This is for 2 marks. Now question number 1B, do as directed. It has sub question number 1A, make meaningful sentence by using the given phrase. It is for 1 mark. Or 1B, add a subordinate clause to expand the sentence. It is for 1 mark. You have to attempt any one of these 2. Then sub question number 2A, add a prefix or suffix to make new words. 2 words will be given to you and each word carries half mark. It is for 1 mark. Or sub question number 2A, use any one of the following words in your own sentence. 2 words that are from 2A you have to use and frame the meaningful sentence. It is for 1 mark. This is about section number 1. Now section 2. It is about textual passage. Question number 2A and question number 2B are about textual passage for comprehension. Each passage carries 10 marks and total these 2 passages are for 20 marks. Now try to understand what type of questions will be there or what type of activities will be there. Activity number 1, it will be based on simple factual activity. It is for 2 marks. Activity 2 will be complex factual. It is for 2 marks. Activity 3 will be based on vocabulary. It is for 2 marks. Activity number 4, it will be based on contextual grammar. It is for 2 marks. And activity number 5, it will be on personal response. It carries 2 marks. This is about section number 2. Now section number 3 is about poetry. Question number 3a, poem for comprehension. You will be given one poem for comprehension and that poem will be for 5 marks. So what type of activities will be there? First activity will be simple factual. It is for 2 marks. Activity number 2 will be complex factual. It is for 2 marks. And activity number 3 will be based on poetic language. It carries 1 mark. Now question number 3b, poem for appreciation. One poem will be there that you have to appreciate. Now how these 5 marks are divided for the poem for appreciation? Title, it is for half mark. Name of the poet is for half mark. Theme or central idea you have to write in 2 to 3 lines. It is for 2 marks. Rhyme scheme, it is for 1 mark. And figure of speech, you have to write any one figure here. It carries for 1 mark. Section number 4, it is about non-textual passage. Question number 4a, non-textual passage for comprehension. 10 marks are given for this question 4a. What type of activities will be there? Simple activity number 1, simple factual, it is for 2 marks. Activity number 2, complex factual, it is for 2 marks. Activity number 3 is based on vocabulary, it is for 2 marks. Activity number 4 based on contextual grammar, it is for 2 marks. Activity number 5 based on personal response, it is for 2 marks. Question number 4b is about summary writing or write summary of non-textual passage that will be given to you in question number 4a. Same passage you have to summarize. It is for 5 marks. Section number 5 is about writing skill. In question number 5a, letter writing. A1 will be formal letter or A2 informal letter. You have to attempt any one of these. It is for 5 marks. Question number 5b, dialogue writing or drafting a speech. You have to attempt any one of these. It carries 5 marks. Question number 6a, information transfer. A1, non-verbal to verbal. That means you will be given the information in the form of web, pie chart, tree diagram like this. You have to convert that information into paragraph. That is for 5 marks. Or A2, verbal to non-verbal. You will be given the information into paragraph. You have to convert that information into non-verbal form. That means in the form of table, in the form of tree diagram, in the form of pie chart or anything else. Question number 6b, expand the theme. B1 is about news report. It is for 5 marks. News headline will be given to you or information about news will be given to you. You have to develop the news report on that. Or story writing, B2. You will be given the beginning of the story or the end of the story. You have to use your imagination and creativity to develop the story. It is for 5 marks. Section 6 is about skill development. Question number 7a, translation. It is for 5 marks. Any 4 out of 6 words from the course book will be given to you and you have to attempt any 4 words from these. It is for 2 marks. Then 4 sentences will be given to you. You have to translate 2 sentences out of 4. It is for 2 marks. Then 2 idioms or proverbs will be given to you. You have to translate any one idiom or proverb. It carries 1 mark. So this is the format of question paper. Once again, revise this format of question paper section wise. Section number 1 is about language study. It is for 10 marks. Section 2, textual passage. It is for 20 marks. Section 3, poetry. It is for 10 marks. Section 4, non-textual passage. It is for 15 marks. Section 5, writing skills for 20 marks. Section 6, skill development, 5 marks. Total 80 marks. So you have to understand this format of question paper, and you have to study like this. Thank you.